Welcome to my channel. How to fix Wi-Fi privacy warning on iPhone and iPad. 1. Open Settings. Unlock your iPhone or iPad and open the Settings app. 2. Tap Wi-Fi. Go to the Wi-Fi option and find the network you are connected to. 3. Open Network Details. Tap the icon next to your connected Wi-Fi network. 4. Enable Private Address. Make sure the private address option is turned on. This helps protect your device's identity. 5. Reconnect to Wi-Fi. Turn Wi-Fi off, wait 10 seconds, and turn it on again. 6. Forget and reconnect network. Tap Forget this network, then reconnect by entering the Wi-Fi password again. 7. Restart your device. Restart your iPhone or iPad to refresh network settings. 8. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update and install the latest iOS update. 9. Restart your router. Turn off your router for 30 seconds and turn it back on to refresh the network. 10. Reset network settings. Last option, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset. Reset network settings. Thanks for watching.